Hey guys, happy Thursday. So we are in continuation of our Reset My Home Part 2 video. So right here I have washed curtains, and later on in this video you will see where those curtains will go. Well, you will see where one set of the curtains will go. The other set of curtains will be going in a space that I really don't want to bring you guys in because it's not part of my space, if you understand what I'm saying. So today is Thursday, y'all. It is Thursday, August the 29th, okay? So I seen that you guys enjoyed that last video, and I really appreciate y'all for that. So I am still getting my home to the bare minimalist state that I can do without letting go of like really nice luxury, eloquent, eye-blowing experience decor pieces, so I say. So here I just took those links and I put them on top of the books for now, because in due time the bowl will be getting placed somewhere else. That is so nice to me. You guys let me know what you think. So I also have another option I'm going to go with today. Well, this evening. I know you're like, oh my God, here she goes again. She's moving some more stuff. Yes, I am. It's my space. And I can do what I want, right? Don't you do the same thing in your spaces? You do what you want. So I have decided to place this lamp in the family room because I am bringing this lamp to a new space. Y'all remember, I thought I was going to be getting a new lampshade, but see how the Most High works things out? Sometimes it is good to make those objections in your mind, but He has other things that He may want you to do. So you have to go with it. You have to follow what He says. And that's what I have decided to do. So there was a reason for me wanting to do something with that lamp. I found the reason. So now it's time to take that other table, y'all, and place it in the bedroom. I actually can use that stand for just like holding my phone, a cup, because I do like only have the other table that was on the other side, and that was housing a lamp and a clock. And in due time, I'm going to get me a cordless clock, guys. I really am. So it's time to eat, y'all. You already know how we going to end this night right here with some really good food now, okay? Y'all know how I do it. So right now, I had put me together a salad behind the screen, or behind the scenes. And I did put me some broccoli together, put a little bit of seasoning, some garlic, and Italian seasoning herbs in there as well, with a little Himalayan salt and pepper. That's how I like to doctor up my broccoli. I don't like it to cook too long because then it can be too mushy. So there's my dinner. We're going to follow this dinner up, y'all, with a really, really nice movie that my niece was telling me about on Tubi. It's called You Are Not Alone, with Michael Jaleel White, I think his name is. It was a really, really good movie. So if you guys get a chance, go check that movie out. It was very interesting. It might scare you a little bit, put you on edge if you live by yourself a little bit. But y'all got to be careful with these cell phones now, with these messages and these links and these pages and stuff, because that's what that movie is kind of like telling you to, be careful. So let me know what you guys think of this part of the video. I'm getting ready to wind it down, put my skincare on, tie my hair up, all those good things, eat my food, stay up for a minute, and then wind down for the next day. So I think I might see you guys on the next day. I don't know what we're going to do on the next day, but I'll see you guys on the next part of this vlog. All right now. Hey y'all, happy Friday. It is August the 30th. Y'all, we one day away from the 31st. I stopped in Target while I could in the middle of working so I can get some, I need to get a couple of things. It's cold in here. Coffee, the coffee pots, and oh my God, they're playing music. Hold on, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. These pumpkin spice. We're gonna try these, and I need some nutritional yeast. Y'all gotta be at work at 7 o'clock. I just got called into work. Okay, we're gonna try it. Went all over the place. I don't even know if they carry nutritional yeast. Y'all know what I'm talking about? It's like the yellow stuff you put on your salads and stuff. I'm gonna have to find somebody because I'm lost and I gotta be at work. All right, y'all. So I end up getting the coffee. This one here. Can y'all see the Starbucks? Y'all see it? This one. I got this one, and they had purple carrot items. I only seen like two kinds, but I got two vegan things. I might take one to work with me. This is this one, and then this one is this. Purple carrot is a good product, but I'll catch back up with y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's another day. It is Saturday, August 31st. So we're moving right along. So I'm already dressed for the day, okay? You see what I have on? Shorts. These little shorts with the little, let's see if I can show y'all. This is my outfit. The shoes, the shorts with this, I forgot what they call them. And just a little nice little top. I think it's like in the 80s. But I had already did my like hair. So this is my hairstyle for today. And actually I just took a hard brush like this and just parted my hair down the middle, you know, pulled it to the side, added my little oil spray, and that was it. But guys, I don't never really wear this. So I said I'm gonna put it on today just to do a little something. So I'm gonna do it with y'all real quick. I did my face care. So this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filler. So what I do is, y'all gonna see Devil Scream. You just take this is a natural brush. You probably won't even be able to tell I have it on because my skin already glows, but this just makes it a little higher, a little lighter, that's all. So, ain't that how y'all do? Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna get my brush and just brush my eyebrows up. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this really works. I do not arch my eyebrows, and I will not arch my eyebrows. So, here we go. Can y'all see? Y'all, this is the space now. I love it. It is actually carefree, low maintenance, and I love it that way. So I've decided, my daughter said one of her friends is redecorating her house, so I'm gonna get rid of these coasters. I'm gonna let her have these because y'all know I already have, I have those that's sitting on our new, what is that thing, the drink table. So that's how the space looks now. It's very, very cozy, chic, minimal, and I love it, y'all. I love it. Everything is coming together beautifully. Office is very minimal. Y'all know I love that. Now y'all can see it better. I did add the ZZ in here. Love it, love it, love it. So this is from this angle, and I love it, y'all. Very minimal. Hey y'all, we haven't been back here in a while. I'm just sitting back here. It's about, I think I told you I was like 80 something. It might be close to 80. It feels good. It's a nice breeze. It's just a lovely, lovely August 31st day. Look at my little, I'm just enjoying my little space. Y'all see my little, Mm-hmm. My little go-to. This is new here. This is actually, I have my citronella candle in here. That's what that is. I haven't really have had to burn that a lot, but I'm just enjoying the moment, y'all. It is a blessing when you can be at peace with yourself and be happy. It is so amazing. Like, I just give all praise to the Most High. That's all I can say. So, y'all remember these pumpkins? This is inside my stash in my closet. These little pumpkins right here. I was thinking of a place to put these. So I thought about placing one of them in here just for a little bit of, I don't know, y'all, just a little bit of fall. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. So this is what the bedroom is looking like now. Okay? Easy, cozy, breezy. Got that. I'm so glad I got that color in here because that represents autumn. And then there's our little pumpkin. Let me know what y'all think. I have to find somewhere else to put this one. We'll find a place though. We will find somewhere to go. So guys, we're going to place this one. I think I'm going to put it here. I don't have any more. I don't have no more space to put anything. Let's take this tag off. This tag's been on here the whole time that I had it, but we're going to place it right here for now. What y'all think? I think it's nice right there. Our little speck of fall in the house. I think that's nice. So yeah, guys, this is how this room is looking now. So this here, y'all already know this stand here houses this plant. So this is probably going to go back over there in the window. And if I had to leave this space empty, I will. And I can always set this candle somewhere else. And then this, I have a shelf I'm gonna put together and show y'all. I think that might go in the front somewhere. But yeah, love the space. Love how the lamp look over there with everything. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I think everything is well put together. I did get rid of those white beads that I had over there. And yeah, guys, that's it right now. That's it right now.
I was gonna say, you hear that?
That's the lamp. You can turn it off. That's cool. I hope y'all enjoyed everything that was in this vlog, because I don't remember, okay? Y'all remember me walking on this path here? Remember it was no grass? Look at that. Y'all see it? So pretty. So this is new fresh grass. So I'm getting my walk on, doing what it do. Look, keep some tennis shoes in your car, because ain't no excuse. So, now what is that I see over there? Oh, I thought I seen something. It's just a piece of tree, like, with some bark off. But, yeah, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me, all right? May your day be blessed, peaceful, cheerful. With the Most High, all things are possible. All right, y'all.